like that. I just need to know, bro. I'm gonna answer that question as well. So how has 2021 been, man? How has 2021 been for you, bro? How has 2021 been for you? I'll answer that after you answer.
Dog, okay, for me, 2021 has been a very emotional year, you understand? Like, we had a very bad start to the year, personally, you and I, simply because we lost our mom. May precious soul rest in peace. It's very painful, but with God's help, obviously, we are healing day by day. You understand? 2021 has been a very sensitive year for me. Please give me a moment, dog. Ngifuna ukuvala la kunaras. You understand? Yeah, so like I was saying, 2021 has been a very emotional year for us, for the both of us, actually. You understand? We lost our mom, we lost our loved ones, and above losing our mom and our loved ones, we have been losing loved ones left, right, and center. Not only us, but everyone around us has been losing loved ones. So for me, I don't wanna lie to you, dog. I don't wanna lie to you. For me, I've learned that in 2021, above all, God has been teaching us to be grateful for life, dog. We have been taught that we must always be grateful for life, dog, because tomorrow is promised to no man. You understand? Like, tomorrow is promised to no man, dog. It's so funny how we are talking about this right now, and we have just lost a brother, a friend, and a loved one, and a son, and a father also to some. VMJ, you understand? I was there today. I was by his place. I was with him last Friday. You know how close I was to that guy, dog. In the whole of the Forex industry, I'm the only friend that was close to that guy. Understand? I know other traders have been talking, other traders have been saying that, dog, I was close to that guy, dog, you know, more than you were, you understand? That guy, dog, I was there, Google, understand? And funny enough, when I got there, they say to me, no, wena siyakwazi watu fana na uvumile and all of that. And I'm like, no, I know that. People have been thinking I'm the one that died because that guy looked like me in pictures, you know. There's pictures that way he looks exactly like me, you understand? When facing down and when all of that. So there's one thing that I learned in that whole process, you understand? It's the fact that, dog, tomorrow is promised to no one. So we must always value life for what it is. We must always appreciate each day as it comes, dog. We must always live as if this is the last day, dog. That guy never got sick, dog. That guy was very healthy. That guy was alive yesterday. Today is gone. So asking me about how has 2021 been, 2021 has been a very emotional roller coaster. But above everything, dog, I'm very grateful that God has taught me to appreciate life more than I used to appreciate life in 2021. You understand? So even to everyone that's on this live, you must learn to appreciate life for what it is. Live each day as if it's your last day. Make sure that each day counts to you. You understand? Dog, when we lost our mother, we felt like the world is coming to an end. You understand? Even in that experience, even in that encounter, we must learn to appreciate life for what it is, dog. That is how my 2021 has been, dog.
True.
How is it?
Interesting.
Like, I think above everything, now what gives me comfort, dog, the way things happen, the way only did find a corner. I think that's what gives me comfort. Like, I've been learning, yabo. Being in the vumile fandachi. So I'm talking to a brother of his, you understand? So this guy's like, okay, I'm like, no, God knows, dog, you understand? So this guy's like, okay, fine. I understand that my brother is dead. I understand that my brother was killed. But this is a question I have. Unkulunkulu beangeke akhethe indlela engcono nayo ukumthatha. Do you understand the question, dog?
Yeah.
Beyangikaze akhethe indlela engcono na yokumthatha, and I'm like, nah, dog. Like, I've been in your shoes, I've been in your situation. You understand? I understand how you feel right now. I understand what it feels like losing a loved one, dog. Like, I also felt like the world was coming to an end when we lost the Ole. Do you understand? Like, I had to explain this to him. Dude, when I lost my mom, I felt like, wasn't there like a better way of my mom passing on? And after that, like, we had to encounter the death of Bompura, Killer Cow, and all of that. Like, I was like, damn, yo, we only really putting on compared to these guys. You understand? Because now I'm seeing how tragic this death was. Okay, fine. What we are low, follow. After that, now we are experiencing what we are experiencing now. And I'm like, you know what? If it's time, it's time, dog. If it's time, it's time. We can't be crying over why did he have to die like that? You understand? We can't be crying over that. Like, this is what I've learned, dog, in 2021. Appreciate life while you are still on earth, dog. Because our time is limited, dog. No one is immune to death. No one is immortal on earth, dog. Those are just movies. All of us, dog, are gonna pass on, dog, on earth. I promise you. So we must always appreciate life for what it is, dog. But enough ngama emotional stories, dog. Right? Enough ngama emotional stories, dog. Like, we were talking about charts and now this, dog. But yeah,
Yeah. I
it is
think
what
I
it
think
is.
kunama questions nyana
Yeah.
abantu abafuna ukwabuza. So I think let's take up like a few questions, maybe 5 questions, and then bese sivale live, yabona.
Mm.
Yeah, so I think send through your questions on the question tab, guys, and me and my brother will tackle the questions. But other than that, I think Joe, I appreciate the fact that Siringe about something here on this live, that like no one is really special, no one is unique. If you wanna make it in whatever niche that you're in, you need to put in the work hard, make sure that you put an investment of time, put an investment of effort, put an investment of of effort to basically see your life change. There is nothing that's impossible under the sun. We all have the same amount of hours. We all have the same
Yeah.
amount of breath that we are given, and the only thing that can really elevate us to the next level is obviously hard work, yabo. So